Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can embed Google Calendar on our Notion. So for that, open up Google browser and search for Google Calendar over here. Then open up the calendar and then select the calendar of your choice. Suppose I'm selecting this one, Notion Embed. Then I will just go on the three dots right next to it and click on Settings and Sharing, and this is where it will lead me to. Then I will just click on access permissions for events on the left hand side, and then I will check this box which says make available to public. Then it will give me a pop-up which says that it will be public to even Google search results. So just click OK. After that, click on integrate calendar on the left hand side, and then copy this URL from public URL to this calendar and copy this. After that, go to your Notion account and here click on add page. Select any of the page that you want to create or where you want to add this Notion calendar, and after that type in slash, so you can command or give command, and you have to type in embed and then select this embed command and make sure that you have selected embed link and paste the link of your Google Calendar that we have just copied and click on embed link and wait for it to load. And after a while you will see that a calendar has appeared, and then you can just resize it according to your needs, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.